there. That's going to be pretty big. And then you want 7 inches here. So you got 1 here, 5. Is it really that big? Is it really 7 inches? It is. It's going to take up most of this board. So the other one's got to be there. So that's where the tip is. So the edge of this is just going to be underneath this board, hopefully. That's going to be quite a round. Okay, I'm going to go grab my board to make sure that we're getting this. But see, what I'm going to do is just use these guys. I could just place the ribbon on. And I know you guys can't see the front, which is the ripply part, but I will. I'll turn it around. I just wanted a different kind of ruffle here. Okay. Need that down, need that up. An 8-inch board. If you had a 7-inch board, it would be, you know, much nicer, but of course I don't. But that way, see, I can measure it.